Breaking space news! 3I/Atlas, the interstellar comet sprinting through our neighborhood, just pulled a wild color change. In new shots from the September 7th lunar eclipse, it's showing off an emerald glow. Yeah, green. Why green? The leading suspect is chemistry lighting up in sunlight. As it heats, rarer gases vent from the nucleus and fluoresce. One candidate is cyanide in the coma, picked up in late August by a giant telescope in Chile. Under solar radiation, these molecules can glow green, and 3I/Atlas is getting juiced as it heads inward. Quick status check. Mid-September, faint magnitude ~14.4 coma parked in Libra. Expected to hover in the 12 to 14 range through the end of September. Translation, you'll need a decent telescope and dark skies. After that, it dives too close to the sun to see from Earth for a bit. Web data shows it's loaded with carbon dioxide. CO2 ice-to-water ice ratio near 8:1. That's among the highest ever logged. It was active super early, growing a coma beyond Jupiter's orbit. Even TESS picked up hints of activity back in May before the official discovery. Mark your calendar for October 3rd. 3I/Atlas swings much closer to Mars than to Earth. Sharpest views will come from Mars. Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, MRO. Mars Express, Trace Gas Orbiter, both lining up instruments from about 30 million kilometers away. That's a full planetary science fleet on an interstellar target. Perihelion, October 29th at about 1.36 AU, between Earth and Mars. That's where the chemistry could go next level. More sunlight, more outgassing, possibly more green. Maybe changes in the tail as different ices boil off. In November, JWST, the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, will try to catch 3I/Atlas in an active phase. Cameras, spectrometers, particle sensors. Imagine sampling an alien comet's particles from across the solar system. What does all this mean? Every measurement maps back to a different solar system. Color, brightness, gas ratios, timing of activity, not ours. The chemistry is a postcard from somewhere else in the galaxy. If you want a shot at spotting it this week, look to Libra after dark with a telescope. Track current star charts. Set expectations. It's faint and diffuse. As it slides nearer the sun, imaging gets riskier. Don't risk your eyesight. Wait for the professional spacecraft recon. I'm following every update, and I'll break the Mars flyby images the moment they land. If you love real-time space discoveries, tap subscribe so you don't miss the green comet's next twist. See you after the MRO close-ups. This comet formed in conditions we've never directly studied before. Different star, different chemistry, different building blocks. Every spectrum tells us about that distant stellar nursery. A 4.6 billion-year journey to deliver alien chemistry to our doorstep. And this is just the beginning of interstellar archaeology. October will be the most intensive study of an interstellar object ever attempted. MRO's camera can resolve features smaller than a dining table from Mars' orbit, 3 times sharper than Hubble for this flyby. Mars Express will map the comet's magnetic field and particle environment. TGO will taste the comet's atmosphere as it passes, all timed to capture the comet's closest approach and maximum activity. We're about to learn how planets form around other stars, whether life's ingredients are universal or unique to our corner of space, how different types of stars create different planetary systems. This comet is a chemical probe from a different part of our galaxy. Data will arrive in real time as the comet reaches peak activity. Ground-based telescopes worldwide are joining the campaign. Even backyard astronomers are contributing crucial observations. Scientists will share discoveries as they happen on social media. JWST will have the best view when the comet is most active near perihelion. 10 different instruments will study every aspect of the comet simultaneously, mapping how alien ice interacts with our sun's radiation. The most complete study of an interstellar visitor in human history.
This is space exploration happening in real time, and you're part of the discovery.
Hit that notification bell for breaking updates as the data comes in. Join the discussion in the comments. What do you think we'll discover? 3I/Atlas won't be the last interstellar visitor. We're just getting started. Next-generation telescopes will find dozens more alien comets and asteroids. We're pioneering a new field, interstellar archaeology. Subscribe now and be part of humanity's first systematic study of alien worlds through their messengers.